has to be 50 feet up in the air.
That is so.
I want to take a picture of it, but I can't. It's 60. Oh,
That's good.
I think it's gonna get here. Joey!